Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you how you can increase your PHP version. Now I got a lot of requests from that and I want to show you the simple way you can do that without having to stress yourself. Now if you have a hosting company like GoDaddy and the rest, you can use it the same pattern to doing that. Now this is Gym Design hosting. So you can use Gym Design hosting to get your domain and hosting. Yeah, this is it. So now when you log into your dashboard, you take it to this is your dashboard over here. Now I'm going to make use of one domain here as sample. So now if you click on I'm going using this shared hosting, this one, view order. So now once you come back to this place, just scroll down. Now once you click log into cpanel, you'll be taken to this place. Now this is where the work gets done. Now I know the cpanel you're familiar with is the pattern underscore lantern, but this is the new thing provided by cpanel. So now once you come over to this place, now if you want to increase your PHP, that is the max file size and the rest. The simple way to do it without going to PHP version, extension, and option. So you scroll down, you're going to see PHP, this place, multi PHP INI editor. Now, once you click on multi PHP INI editor, now right, so right now, so this is it. Now you are going to select the name, that is the domain name you chose. So now I'm not going to touch the home directory. I'm going to touch the particular domain name associated with the hosting account, not the home directory. So now we're going to wait for it to load. Now if you scroll down, you're going to see everything. Now if you're using WordPress, now WordPress, you know, when you want to upload and they tell you you have reached your you've reached your file size. Now you want to upload something or like something very large. Now over here, once you come to this place, that is upload max file size. Now you just what you just have to do here is you increase it to you just put 512. That is I can put it to 512 literally. So when you're uploading, let's say you're uploading a file, maybe 18 you got and it's maybe 28 MB and the rest, it's not going to give you that error stuff. So now you have to click apply. But now I want to also increase something else. Now the post max size. Now this is this they said this value must be larger than the um upload max file size. So now let's say I'm going to touch this. So I can change this to 128, 128. Then the post this place, I just change it to 512. Now, now for the memory limits, you can there are some things that would before you can install the install the particular thing, you'll be told to increase the memory limit. So you can touch it from here. Now everything can be adjusted from this angle. Now we said from this place you can change it to maybe put -1. That means it can max the memory limit. Now if you're not sure of um, what your memory limit is, you can just wait for it to load. So now you see over here the whole information about your cPanel. That is the account, that is the stuff you chose. Now, if you chose a low version, that is the lowest package. Now, depending on the hosting, your hosting provider. Now, if you're using Gym Design, this is Gym Design. You go to over to hosting, share hosting. You're going to see that you can get your hosting for as low as 12,960 naira, that is per year. So you can see here you can pick the monthly package, you can pick the yearly package, you understand? So you can do that. So now you can also use the coupon code available. So now when you come over to this place, now remember to click apply. Once you click apply, it's going to reflect in your WordPress dashboard. So This is just how you do it. Increase this. Make sure your file size, this post mark size is higher than your upload max file size. Then you also come over to this place. Just these are the only things you need. But in case you see maybe let me just let's go to this place now. In case you see, let me go to dashboard. So I'm going to take off the dashboard. Just show what I'm talking about. So now, in case you see in case you see maybe error or the rest, just refresh your WordPress dashboard. It's going to correct automatically. You understand? So now that's just how to go about it. Now you want to upload something like maybe your file size, you want to upload something very large. Make sure you do that. Then for this also, you'll be given like maybe message telling you okay, um increase your max execution time. This is how to increase. This is how you do it here. Then literally what you just need to know is to upload max file size. You go to this place. Then this place. These are the things you need. Just 1, 2, and 3. Then if there's anything you need from here, you don't touch this part, please. Make sure you don't touch this part. Now this is the way you increase your upload file size and the rest. So I hope, and the other method to use is just going straight to your PHP version. Once you select PHP version, then you go to options. Once you click options, you would scroll down and increase it from there by default. You can do that from there also. So those are two ways you can increase your file size. I hope you like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification button. As usually, just click on it, and also make sure you share this video if you find it valuable, and feel free to drop a comment if you have any question or you want me to do any video or review any websites. I'm very much available. Have a nice day.